Hi, Jacob with KC here, and today we're going to be doing an install on the Ford Bronco front bumper Pro6 light bar mount. Pretty straightforward. It's only 4 total Torx bits, and that's it. So let's get right into it.
Diving right into this install, the first thing you're going to want to tackle is setting yourself up for success by running your wiring first. If you're using the Ford's Upfitter system, make sure to check out the video we made on how to wire directly to that system. If you're not using the Ford Upfitter system, don't worry, we have a full Wiring 101 video in the pipeline. The best place to run that wire is going to be right behind the front driver's headlight through the little opening right here. Once the wire is routed, next we will start on the bracket. Using a Torx Plus 40, go ahead and remove the 2 bolts located here and here. I would also wipe down and clean the surface area around your work area to minimize accelerated wear and tear. Now go ahead and slide the bracket right into place and secure the bolts now. Not too tight, just a good snug fit. Once you get one side, go ahead and move to the other, remembering to only remove the bolts here and here. Now we're going to go ahead and insert the light bar itself. Hand tighten the 2 nuts on either side, leaving a gap large enough for the light to slide over the bracket. Start with one side at a time. Once positioned, I would connect the light and then go ahead and tighten the nuts on each end. Now we did not film this part, but go ahead and tighten the 2 bolts securing the bump stop on the light bar so it's sitting flush with the Bronco's bumper.
Okay, so that's it for installing the front bumper mounted Pro6 for your Ford Bronco. Again, just 4 bolts, nice and quick install. As long as you get the wiring taken care of, it's pretty straightforward. If you have any questions about this install or about anything else KC, let us know in the comments below, and make sure to like and subscribe to follow along with more of our shenanigans. Till then, remember to adventure further.